30K before my birthday in 1 month selling on Amazon? Say what?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
What is up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys again today with another video. I'm super excited again to bring this one to you guys. I woke up bright and early, super pumped to start this day. Not only did I pass the $30,000 in 30-day mark threshold in my Amazon business with literally just 2 products, but I got a lot more I want to share with you guys. But the breakdown of this video, I'm going to talk to you, show you kind of the stats of my numbers, how many page views my listing is getting, and just kind of overview the business reports inside of Amazon. I'm going to show you my PPC stats and everything like that. And don't get freaked out by this 30K right here, guys, because this is pretty much just some fake little play money. One of my friends went to like a music video shoot or something and was like, yo, I got this money, you want to use it for your video? I was like, sure, why not? So that just happened to be the amount of money that I actually made in 1 month selling on Amazon. Now keep in mind that's not all profit, guys. I'm making about 45% to 50% profit depending on which listing my product is selling at. So still, my price point's around $120 and I'm making about $50 to $60 profit per unit that I sell. And let me kind of just show you guys what happened here. I'm going to show you pretty much the screenshot that I took on my phone. So this is the screenshot from yesterday, guys. You can see right here we did pass 30K. And it was insane. Like, these were all great days for me right here. And then something crazy happened. I started selling 18 to 20 something units a day. And I immediately started almost running out of inventory, guys. So unfortunately, I did run out of inventory with one of my listings, but I had made an order a few days before that even happened. So I should get replenished with inventory in the next week or so. But I still have another listing selling, guys. And so you can see the 4 units I sold today. It's only making that little gray bar at the bottom, guys. So that's so small compared to the rest of these. And the funny thing is, even though it's only 4 units sold, that's still over $200 in profit that I'm actually making. So these other days, I mean, I can even kind of maybe even show you my Google Sheets where I keep track of all my income. And the days I was making, you know, 16, 18, 20 something sales, these are practically over $1,000 a day in Amazon alone with 2 products. And that's pure profit, guys. So I wanted to also touch on this for you guys. My Amazon FBA mentorship that I give to a lot of people and exclusively all you guys that watch me on YouTube and have been subscribed, who are following me on Instagram, giving me DMs in my Facebook group, sending me messages on Facebook. I wanted to let you guys know that after my birthday, which is tomorrow on February 19th, I'm going to be cutting down some of the mentorship because as you guys can see, the money I'm making in my Amazon business is almost not even justifying, you know, me putting out 3 months mentorship for just $500 when I'm making about $500 a day on Amazon. So I'm going to be lowering the 3-month mentorship down to only 1 month. If you do want to get the Amazon FBA Seller Pro course that I offer that is fully step-by-step, and I'm going to bring a video to you guys with my dad, who's a chiropractor. He owns his own business and everything, and he literally finished my whole course, and he fell into the addiction of Amazon FBA, guys. He is so hyped, fired up. He spent 12 hours. He just couldn't leave the computer. He finished my course. He's written so many notes down about Amazon FBA, everything he needs to know. And let me tell you what, last year, he didn't even have a smartphone. He had the LG Venus, okay? He didn't even have a smartphone, and he's now already found 2 products. He's learned Jungle Scout. He's watched hours and hours. And in the last 5 days, he's up to the point where he's even going through the hazmat review. He's going to be selling an electronic item, but it's all the reviews are really good on it. They're not really bad. So there's an instance in a case where you can maybe sell electronic items. If you look across the board of all the other listings that are selling that same product and they're not bad, then you can probably get into it and have a lot less to worry about. You will have to, you know, submit a hazmat review. So my dad was on the phone with seller support last night and he's figuring this stuff out. So I'm going to bring him on the YouTube channel soon. And that's what I was waking up hyped about because me helping him was so much hype, guys. Like, he went to bed. I know he woke up this morning fired up. Like, that's what happens when you start this stuff. You get a whole new sense of well-being and hope that there's something huge that you're working on that could lead to just an endless amount of freedom in your life. So the point that I was trying to make is my dad's taken my course. He thought it was excellent. He finished everything. And without even really any prior experience of what Amazon even is, he's already found 2 products and making moves within 5 days. So if you're trying to hop on Amazon, please check out the link in the description. You guys are going to see it says 3 months mentorship for $497. That comes with the course. That's going to be only 1 month after tomorrow. So pull the trigger as quick as you can, guys. Other than that, it is my birthday. I'm really excited to hit 26 years old. I had to do my last little skateboard line at 25 years old. That's completed. We ended with the backside flip, and that's it, guys. So I started entrepreneurship right when I was about 24 and a half. So it's been about a year and a half that I've been doing this, and my life has completely changed, guys. 30 grand in 1 month is absolutely insane, and it just started compounding so fast. And the paychecks that Amazon is paying me out right now is just freaking stupid. Like, I have 18 grand or whatever waiting on a 2-week paycheck, you know, to hit my bank account. And that's why you really need to focus on cash flow with your Amazon business. Don't take all this money and rest on your laurels and act like, you know, the Greeks and the Romans did when they built an empire. They got relaxed and comfortable, and then their things started to crumble all around them. So when you start getting money from your Amazon business, don't go spend it on anything else besides, you know, I mean, taking care of yourself, but also invest in more products and build the cash flow. Because look, I started selling out of inventory, and if I had allocated a big portion of money to already be reordering inventory, I probably wouldn't have ran out of stock, even though I was hit with that big influx of sales in the past, 8 days in a row. So absolutely insane, guys. You just got to, jump into this thing and start the experience. And once you get in it, you'll have some skin in the game. And that's why even with my best friends, guys, I still charge them a bit of money for my Amazon course, because if they want to learn, they need to put that money down on the table to really value what they're purchasing, guys. That's the end of the day. Like, I've been given free Amazon courses, free things. I don't finish the whole thing because it's like, well, I didn't really put money into this or anything. And if you don't put in money, you're not going to take anything seriously. So that's kind of just the little lecture that I want to give you on that. But guys, 30K, I mean, Amazon money is straight up real. And my dad, like I said, he's a doctor. And really at the end of the day, he doesn't want to work until he's 75. He wants to get something that's making money for him while he's sleeping. And when you do what I'm teaching him and what I like to teach a lot of people, get a higher ticket item in Amazon. So with each sale, you're making a lot of profit per unit. So maybe you only need to sell 2 items a day to make $100 profit. It's really easy to start scaling that up to, 7 or 8 or 9, 10 sales a day, $500 a day in profit. And the best part about these higher ticket items is there's so much less competition, because people don't want to pay that big startup cost. A lot of people don't have a mentor to actually coach them through which products are going to be good, and they don't want to bite the bullet and pay a lot of money because they don't believe it's actually going to work out. So a lot of people just want the mentorship to have those extra eyes looking on over and giving them advice, and that's exactly what I love to do, guys. So that's going to be about it for this video. I hope you took something away, Take action right now. Get the Amazon course before it's too late. All these other guys on YouTube that had Amazon courses, they all started with, under 1,000 subscribers. Now they're 30,000, 40, 100,000 subscribers, like Tanner J. Fox, who I followed since the day he started his channel. He's the big Amazon FBA guy basically on YouTube. But he can't even talk to people anymore. He doesn't do mentorship because he got so big. And that's what I'm saying. Take advantage of the opportunity of me right now being right in your grasp to, get on the coaching calls with me, get on the Skype calls, let me screen share with you and walk you through what product research methods you need to do to find great products. And that's what it comes down to. Later, I'm going to be charging exorbitant amount of monies because I'm making a lot more on Amazon, so I got to be like, hey, an hour-long coaching calls, like $150, $300. Tanner charges $1,000 for an hour-long coaching call. So take advantage of this stuff, guys. Don't sit on the sidelines any longer. It's 2019. We're already burning through this year. It's already going to be February 19th tomorrow, my birthday. So pull the trigger and let me know if you guys have any questions. Drop them right down below in the comment section, and please drop a thumbs up, guys. It's my birthday. I just want to see some buddies shouting out and, saying what's up. So have a great rest of your week. Take action and start waking up hyped every single day, guys. Say bye-bye to the 9 to 5. Peace out.